Hey guys, what's up and welcome. Thank you so much for making it up to this far. I'm Mtt, the designer and developer from South Africa. Let's continue. In case you are new here, this is a series that started here. Okay, we are using my own component library, which is Mtt Component. So where we are now, we can log in. As you can see, log in successfully. We can change the theme. Okay, we can change the theme, and then from there we can log out as well. But as you can see, our some sort of our navigation system, it's not perfect, because when we are here, if we don't have some sort of existing user account, we cannot go to sign up. Okay, so we need to quickly do that first. Okay, so let's go to Mtt Component. I'm looking for arrow text, Mtt arrow text. Yes. Okay, this is a link. Okay, so let's import Mtt arrow text, where in fact let's not import it, let's just copy and paste this one, and then we will import it. What can I say, we can use Visual Studio Code to import it. Okay, so where is form sign in? Is this form sign in? Yes. And then right at the bottom of this, we want to put this one, and we want the one that is a link. Okay, which is this one. So we want to navigate to form sign in when we want to. Okay, form sign up. Okay, sign up. My apologies about that. And then let's just come back here and let's see. Okay, suppose there's something here at the bottom. As you can see, guys, this is a link. And then where is this is a link? Here is this is a link. So what we want to do, we want to, let's say, sign up. Sign up. Okay, that means you can sign up if you want to. And let's see what we can do. Okay, so as you can see, guys, we can now go to sign up. Let's copy this as it is so that we can go to sign up page. Sign up page. The first thing that we need to do here on sign up page is to put a title on Mtt form. Okay, on Mtt form, we just need to put a title here. Apologies about that. A title here, which is sign up. And then right at the bottom, we need to be able to navigate to sign in. Right after this, we need to be able to navigate to sign in. Let's import this from Mtt Component, and then let's say sign in, and then sign in. Okay, so I think now we can go back and forth. Let's just wait for this. Let's see, this is working. Okay, this is working, but it's in the wrong place. So let's see, it's supposed to be outside here. I think I'm just thinking, oh, let me just put it here. And what else? I don't know why this is loading, is not a full, it's not occupying the entire area. Let's just put class name here and say width full. Okay, let's just check this load button. Is this going to be full? Yes. So as you can see, guys, okay, you can sign up or sign in. I'm happy with this. Okay, you can sign in. Okay, now what we want to do, after we've managed to sign in, okay, we want to get here. So this is the page that we want to create. Okay, so let's see. Okay, so the first thing that we want, okay, we are going to obviously modify the UI a little bit. Okay, I would like to have a, what can I say, a top bar or some sort of a nav bar in a way. Okay, so that when I'm in here, when I want to log out or change my profile or whatever, so that my avatar could always be there, and when I want to toggle the theme, so that I can do that. Okay, so before we do that, where do these components stay? Why don't we have the name here? Okay, why we don't have the name here? So I think it's up to me to put the name there. I think so. Okay, so let's quickly do that before we continue. I want to be on route, or on route chat area. Okay, chat area. Let's check the avatar. And then what we want to do, we want to create a div here, put this here, and then put a p tag. And then inside this p tag, we are going to take this as it is. Instead of image path, we are just going to put the name. Okay, the username. Not really. I don't want this. I only want this. And then here we just type dot active name. Okay, as you can see. Now we need to style this. Okay, since we are using Mtt Component, we've got some sort of a Mtt center here, and then let's put a gap of, let's say a gap of 1. Okay, let's see. Okay, as you can see, guys. Okay, but the gap of 1 is too small. Let's say a gap of 2. Okay, so we've got the name here as well. Okay, I'm happy with this. And then where are we going to put this? Okay, we want to put all of this where on the layout. Okay, this root can have a layout, right? Let's see. This root can have a layout. Okay, a layout.ts. And I think I've got something like a layout somewhere here, but I forgot where. Let's see. Besides the root layout, I think the auth, there's a layout here. Okay, so let me just copy this as it is, and then come back to root, and then the layout of root. Let's paste this. And then what I'm going to do, this is .ts, layout.tsx. Okay, tsx. Okay, so what I'm going to do, I don't really need a lot of things here. Okay, so what do I need here? Let's see. I need this section. Okay, even the theme toggler, I need it. The section with an image, I don't think I need it. Okay, let's see, where are my children? Okay, I can just put my children here. Okay, and then here I already have a theme toggler. I'm happy with that. All I need is, let me go back to the chat area. All I need is what? Okay, it's all of these. Let me start by this. This one, do I have to remove these here? Let's see. Looks like I'm lost in my own mind now. Where am I? I am on chat area, so I need nothing on chat area, if I can be honest. So let me go to the layout and put this where, and put this here. Nope, this is JavaScript. Let's put this here. Okay, and then let me import these. Let me import this. Okay, it's going to complain that these are not used. Don't mind much because I'm going to use them now. Okay, let me just copy this as it is. I don't even need this theme toggler. Let's say chat area. Okay, what else do I want to do? Let's see. I want to go back to the layout, and I want to paste what? I want to paste this here. Okay, import this, and then I need this. Okay, I don't think I need all of these imports here. And then let me go back to the layout, and I will have to paste this. Okay, this is user data. Cannot find the user data. Okay, let me import this. Okay, I'm happy with this. So everything is working well. So what we are going to do, let's just test. Okay, Is everything working well the way we want to? I think so. Okay, I think so. As you can see, we've got some sort of a dash bar here. Okay, we've got some sort of a dash bar here. But what I want to do, I want these guys to be on the same side. Okay, let's see. This guy needs to be here. Okay, guys, my apologies. I just got a disturbance. I will be back now. Thank you so much for understanding. Okay, guys, I'm back. Thank you so much for understanding. Now, let's continue. Just a quick reminder, guys, I've got some two awesome courses, okay? React Advanced Component Composition and Next.js Chassis and UI. In case maybe you don't have much budget for this course, please come check and click the link in the description below so that you can see there is a lot in the preview section of this course. You can learn something. For instance, in this course, we've got also a Figma section where I designed the whole UI before I code it. And that designing part, it's available for free. So you can watch and learn a lot of things there. How do you plan, design in a Figma file and at the same time thinking about React, okay? So please, guys, don't forget. So let's continue, guys, and see. So let's just click save. So what we wanted to do, we've just put these guys together. Let's see how they look now. As you can see, guys, I'm happy with this. So what I want to do where they are, okay, I'm just going to put a mat center with a gap of, let's say with a gap of 4, and let's see. Okay, I'm happy with this, guys. This is what I wanted. Okay, this is what I wanted, but I would like to some sort of separate this. I'm not sure if that's necessary, but let's check. Okay, okay, let's not separate it. What am I going to do? Let's look at the tag theme. Okay, for now, let's not separate it, but I think I would like to do so. Let's try, guys. Let's see. Where is this part? Is it this one with of 100? I think it's this one. Let's use met what? Okay. Met shadow. Okay, let's see. Let me just type here shadow. What do I have as shadow here? We've got a lot of things with shadow. Let's type met. Okay, met base shadow, but without the hover. Okay, I think it's this one. Okay, it's these ones. So let's try the first one and see. Okay, let's see. As you can see, guys. Okay, but I don't want the hover one. Okay, I like this, but I don't want the hover. Then let's go to light. Okay, I think this will work, but let's see. Met base. I don't want the hover one. So what am I going to do? So or it's, I think it's Met Alpha. Okay, guys, I think it's Met Alpha. So let's try with Met Alpha 5. Okay, it's not base, it's alpha. Okay, let's see. As you can see, guys, okay, so it's Met Alpha. I'm happy with this. So let's go back to dark. As you can see, I'm happy with this. Instead of 100, let's make this a little bit smaller. Let's make it 80 and see. Okay, I'm happy with this. Okay, I am happy with this. So let's go back to the UI. Okay, and then I think let's do what? Let's create these two sections, the left and the right one. Okay, let's create those two sections. Where are we going to do that? Let's see, this is the layout. We're not going to do it here. Let's do it here on the chat area. Okay, so here what we want to do, which is here, we want to have a container, and this container will have some class names, and we want the width of full. Don't we have a met x. Okay, this one is the xy of screen. I think we can have an x of screen. That means it must take the full screen. I would like that. But what about the height? Okay, in terms of the height, I think we have to do some calculations in terms of the height. Let's see, not met h. I think, yes, height is equal to, I want to calculate. I want to calculate. Okay, what do I want to calculate? It's 100%. It's 100 VH minus 100 pixels. Oh, it's minus 80 pixels. Okay, minus 80 pixels. And then let's give this a BG of whatever. Okay, BG of gray so that we can see it. Let's just test first. Okay, is this going to change? As you can see, guys, everything fits very well. This expands on the horizontal, it reaches the edge, and it fits on the vertical because we've just calculated this entire screen area minus this top, and we're getting this one. I'm happy with this. And then what I want to do as well, I want to create two divs, right? Two divs, okay, which is left, and the other one is going to be right. The other one is going to be right. I'm happy with that. And then what I want to do, I want to just take this and put it here on the right, class name. Okay, so that the right one can have a color. As you can see, that is left and right. Let's go and use here Mtt center. Okay, Mtt center. And then that is it. Okay, let's see. Everything is centered, and the right side is on the right and the left side is on the left. I'm happy with that. Let's go to the right side. What I want to the right side, I want the right side to take a flex of 1, which is it takes the entire available space and it will push the left side to the left. And at the same time, I want the left side to resist to that, to say that you can't push me to the corner. I want my width to be at least 100. Okay, I want my width to be at least 100 pixels. Okay, let's see. As you can see, guys, okay, so what I want to do now, I want to play around the height of these. Okay, the height of these. So what would be the height of these? Would a height of full work? Let's see. A height of full, would it work? Yes, it does. So meaning that even this one could have a height of full. All right, and then looks like we are done. Okay, so this area is the area that will have this chart section. Okay, it's the area that will have this chart section. So let's go to Mtt Component and try to implement that. We have some new component here, which is Mtt Chart. Okay, as you can see, guys, it provides us with something like this. I don't know why the images are not loading, but it's nothing to write a story about. Let's just refresh and see. Okay, the images are not loading. Maybe I've deleted them by mistake. That's not much of a problem. So what else do I want to do? How do I use this component? Okay, let's copy this. Okay, and copy this and import here. Okay, Mtt Chat. Okay, and then it looks like we've got some data here, some dummy data, which will fake this. Okay, so let's copy this and then let's paste it here. Okay, and then what I want to do, let me use this. Okay, and paste it where? On the left. Okay, chart data, where is it? What is the problem? Message, sorry about that. Let's see. Type comes from type check data, which is declared here on type intrinsic. Let me just leave this as is for now. Okay, let me just leave that as is for now. I don't really think it matters. Let's see how this will look like. Okay, as you can see, guys, it looks like we've got something going on here. Okay, as much as my messages looks a little bit bigger, but I don't mind much. Okay, let's go back here and test. As you can see, these ones are a little bit smaller. What are we going to do then? Okay, what are we going to do then? We need to add this, okay, this at the bottom. So what I want to do, I want to center this, but let me force that it flexes column. Okay, and let me do what? Let me make sure that this is inside a container. Is inside a container that will force class name. Okay, that will force the flex of 1. Okay, so that it can take the entire available space, and then it will push some remaining components like this one to the bottom. Okay, let's check if that works well. Okay, as you can see, it pushes this to the bottom, but now we have lost what can I say, some styling there. Let's see why. Okay, Mtt chat, you've got a flex of 1. Why have you lost some styling? Flex of 1, Mtt center, flex of column. What can I do with this? Let me try to take this outside of this and see. Okay, let's see. Okay, I don't understand why would this. Okay, now it's working fine. I'm happy with this. So let's see these classes. What do they affect? Do I have a class name here? We don't have it. What do I want to do? What do I want to do? Okay, we don't have classes. Okay, let's see. Okay, let's see. Let me go to Mtt chat and see how I did it. Mtt chat, you've got the Mtt center and a gap of 2 items start and the width of full. Okay, I think you need to have also a height of full. Let's start from there so that we can see. Let's say BG this. Okay, I want to see if you are going to have a height of full. I think so, as you can see, guys. So width of full and the height of full will work. So that means I need to some sort of update Mtt components. Okay, because now I've made some changes here with the full and the height of full. I'm happy with this. Okay, so as you can see, this is down here. And then we need a component like this, where we are going to type on something like this. And then let's go to Mtt component, and we've got also this Mtt chat reply. Okay, as you can see, guys, here is it. Okay, this one is going to be a little bit not necessarily complex to edit, but it depends on a lot of things, as you can see. Okay, but it's not going to be that difficult. Let's see. First of all, let's import. Okay, let's import from here. Mtt is defined but never used. I really don't mind about that. Not Mtt chat. Why do I copy Mtt chat? I think this is a mistake. Okay, this component is not Mtt chat, it's Mtt reply. Okay, let's just use it so that we can let's just use it. Okay, let's just use it here so that we can just import it like this. Press Control and press space, and that is it. So it will need form methods. Let's see. So let's start with its schema. I think we can copy this as it is, including the form submit. Okay, and then let's paste it here, right at the top here. Okay, let's see what is the problem. Let's import Z from Zod. Happy with that. Let's import the user ID. Where is the user ID? Let's say the active user ID. Okay, let me do this for now. Let's make this 005. User form, import this from React hook form. And then Zod resolver, import this from React hook form. Use mutation, import this from use 10-stack query, from 10-stack query. Data any, I don't really mind. Create, we don't have that. I will show you now how we're going to get it. Submit handler. Then this is data. I don't think we have much, so the only thing that we need here is create. Okay, so let's use a high order component. Let's go back to any form. Any of these form will work, okay, because there are some utilities that we want. So let's just copy this, okay, this top here, and let's go to chat area. This top here, we can replace it with that. Let's is assigned a value, but it's never used. We will use it now. Okay, happy with this. Let's go back to where we were, the sign up form, and then let's just do this so that we can push this to this high order component. Remove this. And then what is this? This page, it's chat area. Okay, this page is chat area. So we can export it as chat area. Let's import the high order components. High order component, as you can see. So this high order component will give us some certain utilities. Let's see, does it supply us with create? Yes, here is create, toast, and what we haven't used it yet. So what else? I think that is it. So this component is supposed to work fine. Okay, this one, the Mtt chat reply, because it has got everything that it needs. Let's go back and check. This is still loading. I'm happy with this, as you can see, guys. Okay, you can type something here and you can click a reply, as you can see. Okay, now we need to make this a little bit neater. Let's go back to our UI. Okay, as you can see, there is some sort of a padding there. Let's quickly implement that. Let's see if we've got light. Oh, okay, now I see. We just need to change this. The color, where is it? This is the color that we need to change. The color doesn't really have to be there. And then let's put a padding of, let's try a padding of 4 and see. I'm happy with this. Okay, happy with this. As you can see, we can chat, and then we can send a message here. Okay, type, and then send a message, as you can see, guys. Okay, I'm happy with this. What else do we want to do? Why this is what can I say? It's too small now. Let's check light. Okay, even on light, this will work fine. I'm happy with this. Okay, let's go back here on the left side. Where do we want to be? Are we on the chat area? Yes, let's go on the left side. Let's put a BG of something like this. We want to see the width of this. Oh, okay, I'm happy with this. Let's look at this. This is a bit some sort of bigger than that. So instead of making this 100, let's make it 250. Okay, or maybe let's try 300. Let's try 300. Okay, I'm happy with this. Okay, this is a big space anyway, so I'm happy with this. So guys, let's check what can I say, the image src. Okay, meaning that the active user needs to have its own, what can I say, its own image src. Let's just go back to the Mtt component. It gets data from here. Okay, and then where is it getting this data? Do we have a user data here? Do we have user data here? I don't think so. I don't think we have the user data. We can get the user data. Don't we have the user data in these utilities? Okay, let me just check the types here. Not really. Okay, let me check the type. Go to definition. Let's see, don't we have user data here? The endpoint, the data, this is create. Let's see, the user ID, object form data. Okay, I don't think we have it here. Okay, so how are we going to get it? Let's go to this layout. I think this layout has got some goodies for us. The root layout, this one. I think this one has got the user data. Okay, so active user data. This is what we want because we want the image. Chat area. Let's see. Okay, let's import this. And then let's go back to that layout again. And then what do we want to do? We want this line. Where are we getting the image? We want this line user data so that we can get this image as a string. Let's do that. So where are we going to put it? Where is our dummy data? Profile image. This is where we are going to put it. Okay, as a string. Even here as a string. I think this is supposed to work well. Okay, as you can see, guys. Okay, so the active user will have this. Okay, I think that's all, guys. We can end this here. Let's check the dark mode. As you can see, so we don't really need this. Let's try to have a lighter version of this. Let's see, instead of where is the chat area, instead of this color we can have Mtt alpha. Okay, let's say let's try Mtt alpha. I hope it's not stronger. Okay, I'm happy with this. Okay, as long as it's different from this one. Okay, let's see. And the light version, I'm happy with this. I'm happy with this Mtt alpha. So this Mtt alpha 5, it looks like it's too dark. Okay, it's a bit darker. Let's go back to where is it? Where is the right side? Mtt center. Okay, this one is on the layout, of course. Mtt alpha, where is it? Let me just type here alpha. Alpha 5 is too much. Let's make alpha 3. Okay, let's see. I hope this is going to be lighter. Yes. Okay, I'm happy with this. Okay, let's see the dark version of it. Okay, I'm happy with this. This is much better. Okay, it's not as strong as, okay, as you can see, and I like the border lines as well. So I think we are good to go. Guys, don't forget that I've got these two awesome courses. Check the link in the description below. Okay, React Advanced Component Composition and Next.js Shortc and UI. If you might want to support me, I've got also Buy Me a Coffee as well. Should you want to contact me and get me to teach you exactly what you want to know, instead of providing you with a course that will teach you 10% of what you want to know, please come back here and click. Come here and click and give me your name and your email, and that will be it. Okay, let's see where we are, guys. Okay, I think our application is starting to take a shape. Let's log out. Okay, Let's sign in. Okay, let's sign in and see. Sign in successfully. Okay, as you can see, guys, everything is working well. Okay, that is it for now. If you like content like this, don't forget to shoot a comment and also subscribe. Let me check. Okay, as you can see, I'm almost like 4,990. Okay, this is 99 behind the scene, so I only need one subscriber to reach 5K. I've already reached 5K. Okay, thank you so much a lot, guys. You see, as you can see, I've already reached 5K. So this series started from where it started. Okay, as you can see, I'm coming with it slowly but surely. Thank you so much. See you on the next one.